Good morning, family. It's your Ghetto News reporter, MARY-L33 and Mary and Lee. I'm on 59th and LaSalle at the Pleasant Green Missionary Baptist Church in Chicago. Now, when I talk, I don't talk for the fuck of it. I let you know what I'm talking about. You see Jesus, you see the bird. The truth is the light. You see the light right above it? See the bird in his hand? What do they say? A bird in the hand is worth more than two in the bush. In other words, don't come at me with that drama. Acting like I don't know what I'm talking about, okay? I am money. See the brinks? Keep telling y'all, you can't rob God. Right down the street is a Jehovah's Witness mosque or whatever, not mosque or what you want to call it, what they call it, hall. So yeah, don't shit on me and say it's raining, okay? Real talk. You know, I don't go to church and all that, for real, for real. But all you need is the faith of a mustard seed. So for all you church-going people, I'm going to need my money. And I'm not playing. Because I do believe I had a LaSalle bank account back in the day, but I never closed it. Which means the interest alone, you understand what I'm saying, is worth something. And that's a bunch of banks accounts that I haven't closed. A few, let's put it like that. You understand what I'm saying? They talk about, and you see the gold at the top. You see? It's the same color that I sprayed my 1981 Cutlass Supreme tires. You understand what I'm saying? My first car, my first used car. Okay? So don't shit on me and say it's raining. Now, I ain't gonna keep playing with y'all. Now, if you don't value your life, that's on you. But I'm just letting you know. I don't just be talking, okay? I can back it up. But can you? It's your Ghetto News reporter, MARY-L33 and Mary and Lee. Peace.